Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this time we're gonna react to Bonobibi from the Coke Studio Bangla. It's the season 2. We've already reacted to quite a few of Coke Studio.
Yeah.
And I have to
Every
say,
single one of
every
them.
time it was just so good.
Yeah.
So yeah, as usual, I'm so exciting. And also 7 minute 20 that video.
Wow.
So
yeah. That's a long song.
expectations are really
It must
high.
be one of the longest songs.
Isn't it? I mean,
Coke Studio Bangla.
It's not even a song. Like I've never heard a song 7 minute 20. So
Yeah.
Anyway,
Let's go take a look.
I am really excited.
My expectations are through the roof.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We
Again, I
cannot
think
read, but
they're working on
definitely something, yeah, historical and all. Oh, there's dancing with it. That's beautiful.
Is it the same girl? I feel like we've seen her before.
Wait, that's amazing.
How are they reproducing that? Birds.
Oh yeah, I know those tiny frog stuff.
What does it mean, Bonobibi?
The name, no? Oh, cool.
Oh, they would sing this while, like harvesting. Not exactly harvesting, but
so cool.
Must be an old song, I have to say.
I think so. Those eyes cannot be natural, can they? This woman is so beautiful. So relaxing.
Yeah, it was recommended to you because you like, in the previous song we reacted to, you liked women sitting down and singing together.
I mean, I have to admit, so far that's the favorite part of that song for me, the
Me
beginning.
Me too, yeah.
This is really relaxing, but it sounds like it could be any song.
Yeah. I like the previous ones we reacted.
Like
Yeah, this is again, yeah. They have something in their, like voice that makes it more soothing. It's like folk music, right?
Yeah.
Folks.
I'm a bit disappointed by this woman at the back. I thought she was gonna dance, but it's not really a proper dance. It's so calming. I'm almost wondering if it's the same song. They seem to have different subject. No?
Not sure. I wanted this woman to sing more.
Voice she has.
Yeah. Oh, really? 7 minutes?
Yeah.
Wow.
7 minutes.
The song was so nice. It felt like 2 minutes.
So I have to say though,
Yeah.
I think I still prefer the one before.
Of course. This is
And you know what?
this is a wonderful song.
Yeah. But I think for me it's because the pop part
Yeah.
I didn't like as much as those women.
Uh-huh.
I feel like if like
I'm with you. I'm with you.
80% of the song was those women, I would have preferred it more.
Yeah. Exactly. I mean, I told you that I would have wanted
Yeah.
the women to sing more.
Yeah.
This is a wonderful song. I don't want to say otherwise. But
Mm.
of all the songs we have reacted
Maybe
to
yeah,
so
the
far,
one I like the least.
this is the one I
Yeah,
like the least.
because the previous one that we enjoyed so much with those women sitting and singing is because they took maybe 60% of the song, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But this one, it feels like it's more on the jazzy part.
Yeah.
And not that I don't like it. It's just it feels more classic. It sounds like less like folk song.
Yeah.
And a bit
Too pop.
I like it a bit less.
too
But
popular,
again, I can't believe we spent 7 minutes listening to this. It went like it felt like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
See,
Exactly,
right?
yeah.
2 minutes.
One
So,
other
yeah.
thing I wanted to talk about this particular song in comparison to all the other songs we have reacted to. I felt like in the other songs, they had different genres. They came together so well.
Right?
But in this song,
one felt
it felt
more
like
like
two
one
different
after the
songs.
other.
Yeah.
Yeah. The other song, they merge so seamlessly that you can barely, you're like, oh, I'm listening to pop. You barely realize that they jump between.
Yeah.
Here you can see they stop singing, the other start playing.
I didn't feel like they came together.
No, it's like
to
they were
form
playing
one
next
song.
to each other.
It's like two different songs.
Even let us know, people who know this original song, if it's one song. But when I listen to it, it feels like the women are talking about Bonobibi, and the others they're talking about Shepherd's Boy. So I don't know if it's the same song, or it's two folk songs that they put together.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Because again, it's 7 minutes. Do folk song last that long? I don't know.
I don't think so.
It felt like two.
I mean, folk songs they can last for hours.
Yeah,
but
usually
they sing the same
they repeat,
thing,
right?
Yeah.
I know, but Yeah, anyway, I mean, again,
Anyway, that's what we felt.
it's always good.
Yeah. I mean, they're always good, but this is my least favorite.
Though I have to
for
say
the
one
reasons
thing,
I mentioned already.
non-related to that song
Yeah.
directly, but I can't believe I've never heard of those songs. And I feel like we keep getting recommendation, and I'm like, how many did Coca-Cola Studio do without us knowing that even existed?
Yeah.
Right?
They're not only doing in Bangladesh, they're also doing in like Pakistan, India. I know
so
for these, I know
good.
about these 3 countries. They might be doing in other countries too.
Isn't
I'm not
it?
sure.
I feel like people don't talk enough about it because, again, you can definitely tell those are folk songs, and I think
Mm.
this is such a great way of keeping like this, like, yeah, this like human culture, human memory going on, and
Yeah.
to share also with other countries.
Yep.
But I have never heard about this studio before, like
I knew about
recently.
it.
I didn't.
I knew about the Indian one, but not the
I didn't know
Bangla one.
about the Coca-Cola studio.
And also the Pakistani one, I have listened to a few songs.
Mm.
But like until the point where our subscribers from Bangladesh recommended these songs to us, didn't know about these.
No.
Yeah, and
It's great.
I have to thank those subscribers.
Yeah,
for that.
and again, as usual, we always end up like that. But please recommend more. Honestly, we are.
Yeah.
It's always a great discovery. It's always a good time.
Yeah, maybe we should react to every single song on Coke Studio Bangla.
I am completely.
When
open
is
to
the
it.
season 4 coming out?
Well, maybe they are working on it now.
I hope so.
We're waiting for them.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your recommendation. This was recommended to us again by the Bangla lady who recommended the previous song. So thanks to her. Please do let us know if there are other songs we can react to. Have a good day and bye-bye.
Bye.